Ever wonder just how fast a sneeze is? You might want to buckle up for this one. When you feel that tickle in your nose and let out a big achoo, you're not just expelling air. You're launching a high-speed projectile cloud. Scientists have clocked sneezes traveling at incredible speeds, some reaching up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than a cheetah, and it's definitely faster than the speed limit on most highways. The single sneeze can also spray tens of thousands of tiny droplets several feet away. So, the next time you feel a sneeze coming on, remember you're about to unleash a tiny biological hurricane. It's a pretty amazing and slightly gross superpower we all have. Always remember to cover your mouth and nose. What's the weirdest fact you know? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun facts.